Lately, I've been reading a lot about challenges with DevOps. I also spoke with a few folks who are implementing DevOps or have been through the ringer with DevOps. And I think it boils down to really three main areas. The first and foremost is organizational culture and readiness. If you're an organization where you're still struggling with writing good use case, DevOps is not going to help you. It's the equivalent of taking a skateboard and trying to ride it on a gravel way. Sooner or later, you're going to fall. The second part of this is really from a development perspective. If you think about a developer and what they do, they are right now tasked with a lot, particularly when you think of technologies like Salesforce. You have developers who are trying to keep up with all these really cool things that are coming up, whether it's PubSub APIs, trying to learn AWS, Azure, GCP along with Salesforce. So there's a lot going on. And a lot of these folks didn't really sign up for the operational part of story. Some people just enjoy solving hard technical problems and they don't want to really be in the DevOps business, but their organization wants them to. So I think there is some truth to the user adoption challenge and just the fact that people are not excited about it. That's the second portion of it. And the third that I see is DevOps is very similar to data management and security, kind of the space we operate in. Look, if you don't have good data governance, if you don't have good security policies, you can buy data retention, data masking, and it won't really help you significantly because tools can only automate things, but you need to have a process. You need to have the rigor. You need to have the sensibility of how to leverage them. And it's the same with DevOps tools. Unless you think about how your entire process is going to work, the related IT plumbing, whether it's security from a DevSecOps perspective, whether it's just automation, how much of it are you doing? And how does it really provide value to the business? So unless you think about it from a value chain perspective and make DevOps a critical portion of it and actually invest in not just a DevOps tools, but in the broader area of capabilities, I don't think there's enough value that's going to come out of it. That's my perspective. What do you think?